Hello and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making this low-carb and keto-friendly pot roast with radishes instead of potatoes. I love a pot roast, but they take a long time. See, we're going to use the Instant Pot, and the cook time on this is only just a little bit over an hour. Full list of the ingredients are in the description. Pouring up some wine because it's been that kind of week, but Yellowtail is low-carb. Grab a sharp knife and mince up your garlic. We're going to use about a half of a yellow onion for this, and I like to cut this up into fairly large pieces. Topping the radishes to make sure there's no green on there, adding everything to a bowl, and then I'm going to season that with olive oil and Cavender's Greek seasoning. Give it a good stir and set to the side. Next up, grab your beef. This is a 2.5 pound chuck roast, giving it a nice massage, and going to season that up with my home blend of spices, which I will also put in the description. In the meantime, once that's seasoned up, go ahead and turn your Instant Pot onto saute, and then add your can of beefy mushroom soup mix, 1 can of water, and a packet of Lipton onion soup mix. I like to do this step just so it doesn't take so long for the Instant Pot to get up to pressure when we put the roast in. Get some olive oil going over high heat, and we're going to sear that roast on all sides, making sure to grab the edges, and look to get a nice crust on the outside, really seal in those flavors. Once the roast is all seared, into the Instant Pot, and we're going to cook this on high pressure for 25 minutes. While that's going, all the veggies go in that same pan, and we're going to saute for 5 to 7 minutes, just looking for a good color. You'll notice the radishes start getting light when they're where they need to be. Quick release the Instant Pot after 25 minutes, in with the veggies. Give it a stir, and we're going to pressure cook this on high for an additional 35 minutes. Grab another glass of wine and let it finish. When that's done, quick release the pressure and use a slotted spoon to fish out the vegetables and the chuck roast. Next up is gravy time. Oh man, that is looking so great. For the gravy, we're going to strain out about 2 cups of the juice from the roast pot, and then add 4 to 6 ounces of our Yellowtail Pinot Noir. You want to bring this up to a low boil, a couple minutes, make sure we cook off the alcohol. And then I'm adding about a half tablespoon of cornstarch with some water in there just to give it a nice thick texture. Once that's done, it's time to plate it up simply. Top with some of our delicious red wine gravy, and to get extra fancy on this weeknight, I use some dried parsley to finish the dish off. And there you have it, a delicious and easy Instant Pot roast that is low carb and keto friendly. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to hit subscribe below, as it will help this channel grow and keep me going on these recipe videos. Thanks so much.